In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Granola AI with Microsoft Teams. Now first, you want to install Granola on your computer. I do have a separate video teaching you how to do this, so go check that out first in case you are interested. And then when you have Granola AI on your computer, you can sign in either with Google or Microsoft. It's completely up to you. It doesn't actually have to be Microsoft to be able to use Microsoft Teams together with Granola, but of course, it's recommended. Now, whenever you do that, here you'll see your home screen over here, and then we're gonna go ahead and start our first note. Now you can either click on quick note over here or click on quick note top right, and then this will get you inside your notes. Now whenever you're in here, you can get ready and actually start your meeting, okay? Or you could also start meeting before that as well. So I'm gonna go inside my Teams here, and I'm just going to start a random meeting. I'm gonna click on start meeting, and there we go. I'm now inside my own meeting. Now of course, if you are currently like in a meeting, you can start using it right away. So as you can see, I'm in here. I'm actually going to mute myself like this. There we go. And if I close this, you can see Granola is actually taking notes. So if I go ahead and click on this button, which is kind of a transcript, it's showing me the transcript of everything that's being said over here and inside my meeting, okay? Now, of course, for me, right now, it's only me speaking, so it's only my voice and whatever I'm saying over here. But if I, for example, stop talking, this will stop. So let me test this. There we go. As you can see, it went bright, and now it's going to create another message. And there we go, another one, etc. Okay, now different speakers, of course, will then have different bubbles, these message bubbles over here, stuff like that. But currently it's just me. And let's say I now have ended the meeting. So the meeting has ended. I'm just going to quit the meeting just like this. I'm gonna go out. And now I can just click on the stop button. There we go. And I can either resume in case the meeting resumes in a few minutes or something like this. And then here, of course, I can take notes whenever I do this. So I can just have this open and be on a lookout for more like meeting transcript, stuff like that. And then in between, I can just go ahead and type in notes. For example, note 1, like note 2, whatever you want to do here. You can type in whatever you want. And then you can just click on generate notes whenever that's done. So whenever you have like a transcript, when you click on generate notes, it's going to start AI generating these notes over here, and as you can see, that's quite nice. It's gonna give you everything over here within just a few seconds, and then you can go ahead and of course change it, you can delete it, of course add stuff, etc. So that's essentially how to do this. That's how to use Granola AI with Microsoft Teams. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.